Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I'll show you how to zoom from text into a video in DaVinci Resolve 18. So in the last video where I showed you how to make this edit where you can see the video in the text, we're going to use this text. I'm just linking the video down below so you can watch it at first. And now we want to zoom into a letter and then the whole video should appear. So what we want to do first is we change the text to something more appealing to the video. For example, island. Of course, I need to resize it a bit. For example, like this. Yeah, that should be fine. Okay. Then what we do here in the text, of course, go to settings and enable the dynamic zoom. What this will do, let's play it. It zooms out of the clip, but we want to zoom in. So we just go to dynamic zoom and click swap. Now, if we let it play again, it zooms all the way in, but not fully into one letter. What you need to do for this is on the left here, click on this little sign and then go to dynamic zoom. What this will show you is the green lines show you where the video will start and the red lines will show you where your video will end, so where it zooms into. What you want to do for this is grab it at one side and then just make it that small to fit it into one letter, for example into the N, like this. Then just let go, and now let's see, if we let it play, it zooms all the way in to the letter. But as you can see, after the text our clip stays black. What you need to do for this is, because we have the composite on darken, you need to make a cut with the cut tool, just right where the text ends, like this. And then you just click the second part of the clip and then go to composite, and from darken go to normal. Now we can let it play again. You can see island, and it zooms all the way in to the N, and here we have our finished clip. Okay, that was a little hack on how to zoom from text into video in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.